Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bench grinders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast looking to sharpen tools or a professional searching for reliable equipment, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the WEN BG4260 2.1 amp 6-inch single-speed bench grinder. This is the budget option on our list, priced at just $49.25, making it a great choice for beginners or those looking for an affordable tool for basic grinding tasks. Key features include a 2.1 amp motor that delivers a maximum rotational speed of 3,450 RPM, and it comes with 2 grinding wheels, a 60 grit and a 36 grit, ideal for sharpening tools or smoothing rough edges. In terms of design, the BG4260 is compact and lightweight at 14 pounds, making it easy to move around your workspace. The adjustable eye guards and pivoting tool rests add a layer of versatility and safety, ensuring you can customize the grinder for different applications. However, the build quality feels more entry-level, with a plastic housing that may not hold up to heavy-duty use over time. Performance-wise, the BG4260 gets the job done for light tasks like reviving old knives or chisels, but it lacks the power and durability needed for industrial-grade applications. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable grinder for occasional use, this is your pick. Pros include affordability and ease of use, while cons are the limited power and less durable construction. Number 4, we have the Vevor bench grinder, which brings a lot of value for its price of $54.14. This grinder features a 2.1 amp brushless motor running at 3,550 RPM, offering quieter operation and greater durability than standard motors. It comes equipped with 2 grinding wheels, a 36 grit for fast material removal and an 80 grit for precision grinding, making it versatile for sharpening knives, chisels, and other tools. The design is robust, with a steel base that minimizes vibration during operation, providing a stable and smooth grinding experience. At 18 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some of the other models, but the added weight contributes to its overall stability. The adjustable eye guards and pivoting tool rests enhance usability and safety, though the assembly process might take a few extra minutes compared to other grinders. Performance-wise, the Vevor stands out for its quiet operation and consistency in grinding tasks. It's an excellent choice for DIYers and hobbyists who need a reliable tool for maintaining metal implements. Pros include its durable brushless motor and stable design, while cons are its slightly longer assembly time and less ergonomic adjustments compared to higher-end models. Coming in at number 3 is the WEN BG4276 2.1 amp 6-inch bench grinder with a flexible work light priced at $53.44. This model is perfect for light-duty applications like sharpening old tools and bits. It features the same 2.1 amp motor as the BG4260, but adds a flexible work light that illuminates your workspace, making it ideal for precision tasks. The grinder operates at speeds of up to 3,450 RPM and includes one 60 grit and one 36 grit grinding wheel. The design is compact and user-friendly, with adjustable eye guards and pivoting tool rests for added versatility and safety. The flexible work light is a standout feature, allowing you to work in dimly lit areas with ease. At 16 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the BG4260, but still portable enough for most workbenches. While the build quality is decent, it's not as rugged as some of the higher-end models. In terms of performance, the BG4276 delivers consistent grinding results for small to medium tasks. It's best suited for hobbyists and DIYers who need a reliable yet affordable grinder. Pros include the added work light and ease of use, while cons are the lack of industrial-grade durability and power for tougher applications. At number 2, we have the Skill 3.0 amp 8-inch bench grinder priced at $109. This grinder is packed with features that cater to both professionals and serious hobbyists. Its powerful 3.0 amp motor ensures consistent performance, while the built-in LED work light improves visibility during grinding. The magnified eye shields and built-in water cooling tray make it a standout in terms of safety and convenience. Design-wise, this grinder has a sturdy build, weighing in at a hefty 28.9 pounds, which minimizes vibration and enhances stability during operation. The pre-drilled base allows for easy mounting on a stand or workbench. The adjustable V-grooved tool rests ensure accurate grinding angles, making it ideal for sharpening or reshaping a variety of materials. Performance-wise, the skill grinder excels in heavy-duty tasks, handling both coarse and fine grinding with ease. It's perfect for mechanics and DIYers who need a reliable tool for continuous use. Pros include the powerful motor, safety features, and stable design, while cons are the higher price point and larger footprint, which may not suit compact workspaces. Finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt DW758 8-inch bench grinder, the premium option on our list, priced at $143.85. This grinder is built for industrial-grade applications, featuring a 3/4 HP induction motor that delivers an impressive 3,600 RPM for high-speed material removal. The rugged cast-iron base and motor housing ensure durability and a long lifespan, while the precision-machined aluminum tool rests allow for accurate positioning of your workpiece. The design is robust and well thought out, with a 12.5-inch distance between the wheels, making it ideal for larger and longer grinding applications. Rear exhaust ports in the wheel guards improve operation smoothness, and included components like spark deflectors and eye shields enhance safety. Despite weighing only 7.7 ounces, a surprising stat, likely due to packaging specifics, the grinder feels incredibly sturdy and well-built. Performance-wise, the DW758 is unmatched, delivering consistent power and precision for demanding tasks. It's perfect for professionals who need a reliable grinder for heavy-duty use. Pros include industrial-grade performance, durable construction, and smooth operation, while cons are the higher price and the fact that it might be overkill for casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.